Besishubile isimo ngaphandle kwenkantolo yemantshi yaseVerulam. Olunye uhlangothi lwezakhamuzi zasePhoenix belizokweseka abasolwa. Olunye uhlangothi belihambisana nezinhlangano zomphakathi luzophikisa isicelo sebheyili. Kubonakale nombutho wezokuvikela we-SANDF ngaphandle kwenkantolo, kanti imigwaqo engenela lapha ibivaliwe. Kuthe kusenjalo kwasuka uthuli lwezichwe, umsolwa oneminyaka eyi-16 utholane phezulu nephoyisa ladubuleka laphuthunyiswa esibhedlela. Emva kwalesi sigameko kujutshwe isibalo esiphezulu samaphoyisa. Bayishumi abasolwa ababingelele imantshi namhlanje, kanti basolwa ngokususa uthuthuva lapha amasontweni amabili edlule.
The charges include murder, attempted murder, malicious injury to property, possession of stolen goods, as well as unlawful possession of firearms and ammunition.
Ezinye izakhamuzi zasePhoenix zithi zizoqhubeka nokweseka abasolwa kuze kuphothulwe uphenyo.
It was not the Phoenix community stepping out, going out of our community boundaries to look for trouble. All we did was protect ourselves. And so all I'm going to say is that the Phoenix community stands fully behind all the people that were arrested in Phoenix until such time the law can prove definitively that they are guilty of a crime. And if they are guilty of a crime, regardless of who you are and where you're from, you pay the price for that.
I-ANC Youth League ithi abaholi kumele bengazami ukulinyathela lolu daba.
There is a group, there are two groups, two races, visibly fighting against each other. There is no leadership to try and bring them together, but there is rainbow nation, and leadership is preaching rainbow nation on TV and in radio. Here on the ground, there is no rainbow nation. People are still fighting, people are angry. There is no sense of trying to bring about peace and harmony. They do not care. In fact, it's like government is saying they must kill each other and finish each other. Those ones, Tina will just go and collect toilet papers and potatoes from poor people.
Kumanje bangamakhulu amathathu abantu asebeshonile ngenxa yezibhelu ezenzeke emasontweni amabili edlule KwaZulu Natal.